Today, I'm going to be talking about the Internova 1000. We've designed the Internova 1000 to be incredibly bright, long-lasting, and simple to use. We're going to go over how to use and get the most out of your lantern. Battery installation. Remove the rubberized base cap on the bottom by rotating it counterclockwise and pulling it out. Install 4 D-size batteries, making sure that the positive and negative ends are inserted correctly as indicated on the lantern. Replace the rubberized base cap by aligning the guide post to the corresponding slot on the battery compartment, sliding the post into the slot, and then twisting the base cap clockwise while pushing down to lock it into place. Operating your lantern. The Internova 1000 comes with one power button that is used to power the lantern on or off, as well as cycle through all available modes. To turn the Internova 1000 on, simply press and release the round button in the middle of the lantern. Cycling through all modes. With 4 modes to choose from, the Internova 1000 is the only lantern of its kind to offer a dimmer mode. Pressing the power button once puts a lantern into the low mode. To access high with dimmer mode, from the low mode, press and hold the power button. Continue to hold until you reach peak brightness. You will see the bulb flash, indicating the lantern has reached maximum brightness. If you continue to hold, the bulb will begin to decrease in brightness and continue to the bulb's lowest brightness. When the bulb has reached the lowest brightness, it will flash again. At any point while dimming, you can let go of the power button to maintain your preferred brightness. From the high with dimmer mode, press the power button once to access red mode. From the red mode, press the power button once more to access the red SOS mode. To turn off the Internova 1000, cycle through modes 1 through 4, and press the power button once from mode 4 to turn the lantern off. Thank you, and we hope to see you again soon.